Most YouTubers spend hundreds making videos. But what if I told you there is a way to create unlimited high quality AI videos for free? No watermarks, no hidden fees. And you can turn them into a YouTube cache machine. In this video, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step method to create these videos. Upload them and start making money online with YouTube automation. Most so-called free AI tools give you just a few credits before asking you to pay. Others slap a giant watermark on your work, making it useless for YouTube. But I have found a simple method that gives you unlimited credits and watermark-free exports. And the best part, it works on both PC and mobile. First, head to the AI image to video tool linked in the description or pinned comment. You will see a gallery of videos others have made, along with the prompts they used. You can copy any prompt or create your own. Now click the Create Video button. This is your personal workspace where the magic happens. Before we create anything, here is how to unlock unlimited credits. Click Free at the top. It will ask you to log in. Don't use your real email, otherwise you will be stuck with limited credits. Instead, open a new tab and go to Temp Mail, delete the first email you see, refresh and copy the fresh email address. Paste it into the AI tool sign up form. Then go to Temp Mail to find the verification email. Enter the code, set a password, and boom, you now have 300 free credits. That's enough for 10 to 15 videos. When you run out, just repeat this trick for unlimited credits. Now let's make your first video. You can either upload your own image or type a description to generate one. For example, I upload this image. Then in the animation prompt box, describe the motion. Something like, camera slowly zooms in as wind blows through the character's jacket and neon light flicker in the background. Click generate video, and in 1 to 4 minutes your AI video is ready. As soon as it's done, download it immediately. Don't wait, or a watermark might appear. If one sneaks in, go to online video cutter, use remove logo tool and save the clean version. Now here is where the money comes in. Pick a niche: motivational quotes, history, short stories, kids animations, movie facts, anything that gets views. Use this AI tool to make multiple videos daily. Upload them to YouTube Shorts for quick growth or combine them into longer videos for monetization. You can make money from YouTube ads, affiliate links in your description, sponsorships, or even selling your own products. And because your cost is zero, every dollar you make is pure profit. This is one of the easiest ways to start a YouTube channel without showing your face or spending money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which niche you will try first. I share more AI money making methods every week, so don't miss out.